Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening sound settings quickly. Right-click the speaker icon and choose Open Sound Settings. Once the settings window is open, select your output device and click Sound Control Panel on the right. From the Playback tab, pick the active device and press Properties. This is the first actionable step because the equalization option is inside Enhancements. Make sure you have administrative rights. Without them, you can open but not save some audio driver settings. Once in Properties, switch to the Enhancements tab and locate Loudness Equalization. Check it to enable the effect. If you do not see Loudness Equalization, update the audio driver via Device Manager or reinstall the manufacturer driver. This restores enhancement options. After enabling, click Apply then OK, and play a mix of quiet and loud audio to confirm smoothing. If levels still jump, adjust the device volume and app volumes. Sometimes app level gain conflicts. You finish by setting a sensible baseline in the Levels tab so equalization has headroom to work. Lower the device level slightly if clipping appears. Then check Advanced and disable Exclusive Mode to prevent apps from bypassing system processing. Once done, test with multiple apps and reboot to ensure persistence. If you still get distortion or no equalization, roll back or perform a clean driver install. That fixes hidden conflicts. One troubleshooting tip: try the manufacturer's audio.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.